Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and proper good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are feeling great. Today I'll be making some sweet chili garlic wings. Yes, I love me some wings. And here are my lovely ingredients that I will be using to season these wings. This is about almost 3 pounds of wings, right? So first I had 2.5 tablespoons aluminum free baking powder in my little bowl, and I added half tablespoons Cajun seasoning, then half tablespoon smoked paprika, and now I'm going in with 1 tablespoon onion powder. Get all that seasoning, well, get all that powder, girl. And half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon garlic powder. Get it, girl, get it. And half tablespoon black pepper is coming up. Just a half tablespoon. We're not really pressure the thing. We don't need it. Well, of course it's gonna be spicy. But yes, go in and give that a nice little mix and try to combine all those amazing ingredients. Now, Vibes Fam, do not worry if you do not have the Cajun seasoning. Use your regular chicken seasoning, right? Because the star of the show is going to be the sweet chili and garlic. Yes, that's the star of the show with the sauce, right? So now that I'm done, here I'm taking a paper towel. You need a clean paper towel, and we're going to pat these chicken wings dry. So I already did some before. I'm just, doing it here to show you guys. So pat it dry because we need these to have a nice little crisp on them. And that is why we use the baking powder, right, to help make these wings crispy. And as I said, aluminum free baking powder, Vibes fam. So now I'm going in with a little bit of oil. And what the oil does, it helps to keep the wings nice and moist, right? So you want to move those wings, move those top ones that got some oil, and just pour the rest in the bottom. So not too much oil, right? It's just a little to do a little. Right? Yes. And by the way, you don't have to use the oil if you don't want to. It is fine. So now it's seasoning time. Let's pour that seasoning all over them wings. So go in with the seasoning, and Vibes fam, take your time. Take your time and rub in and rub up. Take your time and massage the seasoning into the chicken wing, because you do not want to bite into a clump of seasoning. You don't want to do that. And by the way, why I said aluminum free baking powder is because it don't give a bad, like a aftertaste. Like the regular baking powder, if you use that, it just give you a little aftertaste. Not nothing major. By the way, Vibes fam, please preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Look on the massage a while ago. 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. And here we have it. Oh, so pretty. So well seasoned. So beautiful. Yes. So let's sort them now to put them in the oven. So here I have my little tray, and I will link this in the description box down below. And we are putting our wings on the tray. And Vibes fam, please social distance these wings because we want them to crisp up, right? And if you make them just get up and pack up like one of those country bus, then that's not gonna happen. They are going to maybe steam and not, crisp. Yes, so even though I have a lot of wings on the tray, yes, they seem close. They can be close because it's a lot, but do not let them touch, right? So put this in the oven for 20 minutes. And while that is baking for 20 minutes, let's work on our sauce. So here are our lovely, absolutely smelling nice ingredients that we will be using. So first, I'm adding a 1/3 cup of sweet chili sauce. Now, Vibes fam, trust me, not all sweet chili sauce taste good, you know. So please find yourself a nice one. And really it's a pity they don't have taste and buy sweet chili sauce. You know, but yeah, just get you a nice one because you don't want to ruin these wings. And now I'm going in with 2.5 tablespoons garlic paste. Now if you don't have the garlic paste that you buy in the store, you can just blend up your own garlic. And if you're doing it from scratch, then I'd say just use 2 tablespoons because the garlic, like fresh garlic, is way more stronger. Okay, so now I just added 1 tablespoon low sodium soy sauce, just because regular soy sauce really salt, right? And we want to cut back on that. Or if you don't add any salt when you're seasoning up the chicken, then I guess you can use your regular soy sauce. So just be careful with the salt. And then I added 1/2 teaspoon sesame oil and VYBZ FAM. You have to be careful with that. It is delicious, but it is very strong. So go ahead and give this a mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And then you want to taste. Okay, so taste it and make sure it is good. Now, when I tasted it, it was lacking. I was like, you need a little honey in your honey. So I added some honey, 1 tablespoon of honey. And then I gave it a mix again. So mix it out. And then, of course, you have to taste and make sure it is hitting the spot. And it wasn't. So I added another 1 tablespoon of honey. And this one hit the spot. I was like, yes, yes, yes. It was so good. VYBZ FAM, this sauce right here is amazing. Okay, anyway, this is the 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, look at these wings looking so beautiful. So what we're going to do, so gorgeous. What we're going to do, we're going to flip them over, right? Turn them over on the other side, because we need the other side to crisp up as well, right? So flip them over. Still leave your oven at 180 degrees or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at those wings. VYBZ FAM, them taste good. Like, trust me, if somebody in your house is not a sauce person, you can just give them, like, this by itself tastes amazing. No joke, tastes so good. So yeah, just flip them over. Look at them. You look so good. And by the way, comment down below and tell me, are you a drumstick or a flats person with the wings? Which one do you prefer? So yeah, now we're going to put them back in the oven for another 20 minutes. And then that's going to be us. 20 minutes, just like plop. Just like that. That's 20 minutes VYBZ FAM. Look at them. So gorgeous. Gorgeous. Beautiful. So I'm going to remove them from the tray and put them in my bowl. Because we're going to do a little excitement. Look at me touching that hot tray. So you know some me a cookies, you know? Because trust me, we cookies no ram for burn up ourselves. So beautiful. So let's go in now and pour that sauce. VYBZ FAM, so good. When I tell you, just the smell, so good. So pour it all over. Well, pour some, just a little bit, at least half, right? You can use just about half, and then give it a shake and toss. Mr. Shake and toss, shake and toss, Mr. Shake and toss. Whoa, I Mr. Shake and all right, yes, so just shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Yes, VYBZ FAM, coat that nice wings with that amazing delicious sauce. So good. And of course, we're going in now. You can just use the spoon, like, you know, if you see one wings where you know it needs some extra love, just direct the sauce right there. So yeah, and then give it another shake and another toss and another flip. Ooh, so good. Yes. And VYBZ FAM, here we have it. Here we have it. Look at this beautifulness. Look at this gorgeousness. Look at glistening. Yes, look at glisser. Come true wings. Vibe some. When I told you that I wish, trust me, I wish I could give you a taste. I wish I could just shove one of them wings right in your little itty bitty mouth. Or, oh, what? Vibe some. So, when I tell you, go, oh, come true, glisten. Yes, star body wings. Can you see that it tastes good? Can you see? You ever hear nothing say you like you look at it and you know say it tastes good. We not ask nobody. We have just by looking at it, me can vouch for it. But guess what? I tasted it, so I can tell you it tastes amazing. Amazing. Like I would be proud to let anybody taste this. This is another recipe that is a must try. You need to try it. What are you waiting on? Get the ingredients and try it if you don't have it. So Vibe Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. New watcher, please subscribe and go and follow me on Instagram. God bless you.